Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to explore the different parts of a circle. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let's jump right in. Center of a circle. The center of a circle is an equidistant point from any point of the edge of the circle. Circumference. Circumference or perimeter is the measurement of the boundary of the circle. Arc. An arc of a circle is part of the circumference of a circle. Radius. Radius of a circle is the distance between the center of the circle to any point on its circumference. Sector. A sector is a pie-shaped part of a circle made by the arc of a circle along with its two radii. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is the straight line that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circumference of a circle. Chord. A line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. The diameter will be the longest chord of a circle. A segment of a circle is a region enclosed by a chord and its corresponding arc lying between the chord's endpoints. A secant is a straight line that intersects a circle at 2 points. The difference between a chord and a secant is that a chord is a line segment whose endpoints are on the circumference of the circle, whereas a secant passes through the circle, forming a chord or diameter of the circle. Secant of a circle. BC, chord of a circle. Tangent, a line that touches a circle's edge at a single point. I hope you learned something today. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.